Hello, everyone. My name is Ahmed Sohail, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my journey of becoming an AI slash LLM engineer. This is day two. Day one yesterday was about installing Ollama. So Ollama is like an open source platform to run your LLM applications locally rather than having it run on cloud. So right now I'm looking at the models for it to run locally. So I can use Ollama using the interface itself, um, which is I've already have downloaded the Gamma 3 model, 270 million parameters, and then you can use this, or I'm trying to now use the PowerShell command line to run Ollama LLM applications, and I'm trying to download the DeepSeek 1.5 billion parameter, which is around 1.1 GB. So it'll be done in 5 minutes, give or take, or 500 MB. So yeah, it's a good way for you to experiment with your LLM applications, talk to them. Tell me a fun fact. Let me see. If tell me a fun fact. So did you know the average person spends around 15 minutes per day on a computer? That's a lie. It's more than that. Yeah. Okay. Well, see now if I use ChatGPT on which is run on cloud API, OpenAI models on cloud, it's gonna give me a much more more response, better response. But since it's run locally, it's very limited to provide the reasoning and the output. So yeah, so that's that. And then day two was basically installing Cursor. So installing Cursor AI and then having to understand the project directory of it. And basically, this is from the GitHub repository that I'm using Ed Donner's Udemy course, 8 weeks LLM project. You could say is a hands-on tutorial and project building applications that it's the Udemy course will cover. And then after that, installing Cursor, I installed the extension of it, which is UV, which is a Python package tool project manager that is written in Rust. So it's much more faster now processing and having all the environment, virtual environment dependencies installed. And yeah, you can see it here as well. So it's a very great extension compared to PyEnv and Pydantic and Poetry as well. And yeah, that's mainly day two. I'm going to read more about Olama as well, how it is, what it is, how it works, installing it. I mean, I already installed it, but yeah, this also gives you a good step-by-step guide to it as well. Part one, if you want to know about Llama, I'll put the link in the description box down below. And yeah, I'm looking forward to sharing my journey as well throughout the coming days on a daily basis, just to build a portfolio and accountability as well. So, thank you so much for your time. Take care, stay safe. Until next time, bye bye.